Hello, my name is Elizabeth and I'm daughter of you-know-who at Capel TV Repair. Today, I'm going to try to help you guys with a problem that occurs very often. What to get kids for their birthday? The answer? A SHASHIBO cube! There are many different kinds of these, but I'm just going to show you a few tricks which you can do with one. You can tell I love this one, these SHASHIBO cubes in fact, because I can do them blindfolded. To prove this, I'll blindfold myself. I'll make it from the cube, to another shape, to another shape, to another shape, and back. Ready, set, go. The star. The triple holder. And now to the UFO. Boop, boop, boop. And now back. Triple holder. To the star. And then back to the cube. That's the proof that I love these things. My dad also gave me more of these because I love them so much. I'm gonna show you something cool you can make with more than one that's actually useful. Make this into the triple holder. Turn this into the UFO. Okay, we're getting it to another UFO. Now the last cube I need for this. Here we are, it's a little holder. Also, to improve, if you want them to stay in, you can make it to cobras. There you are. And you can put little things in them. Little fake money. Ta-da! And you can make it back into cubes anytime you want. Space storage. If you like my idea, please donate some money for my school's fundraiser. The link is in the description below. You can donate $5 or $10, however much, if you can spare some for me. If you do, Mr. You-Know-Who might show his face for once. You never know. Bye!